Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're back here at our Warsaw studio, here with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief. So, we're back here. Did a Panettone Cafe yesterday. Very nice.
Nice coffee. Yeah,
Nice
I
coffee. Nice.
liked it there. Very nice.
Nice cakes, nice sandwiches, nice venue, but great. They're back here in the office and a lot going on. We just finished, as you know, last week with our CEE Retail Awards, which was a huge success as usual. And now we're straight on to SEE Awards in Bucharest and also our events in Serbia in May, in the Baltics, and also in May, and in Prague. So with our retail marketplace and deal making. Having said that, a lot going on this week. We'll just take a little break and we'll come right back with Winston Norman in the news. So back from the break, and we hope you all enjoyed yourselves. We got a lot of things happening, working on the SEE Awards now in Romania, and also MIPIM, our real estate guide going out at MIPIM. And if you're looking to reach anybody, any of the attendees at MIPIM, let us know. We've got our magazine coming out, going to the printer next week. We can definitely get you in if you're looking to advertise something or promote your company. MIPIM is the place to do it, I think. It's the biggest event, and we have extensive distribution. Once again, Europa Property is the international media partner for the region, and very good extensive distribution during MIPIM, in MIPIM, out at the hotels as well. So Winston, good to see you.
All right, Craig, how's it going?
How are things going? I hope the news is exciting as ever.
Yeah, always exciting. Yeah, we've got a nice mix today for you, and we'll start in Warsaw, where Real Management has sold the Bolero Office Point 2 building, and this building has been acquired by InterContinental Europe Centralne. And it's a kind of mixed high-end office and technology building, and it was completed in Q1 2020. And it was a built-to-suit development for the UL International Poland, which is a global leader in the delivery of testing, inspection, and certification services for electrical equipment, electronics, and batteries. And according to Marcin Mulka, he's the CEO of Real Management. He says the closing of the deal proves that BTS projects are highly appreciated in the market and are considered an attractive asset for investors. So yeah, it's a smaller project there on the investment side, but still an interesting one.
Always good to have production coming into the country.
Yeah, it seems so. And staying in Warsaw and moving to AFI, and their recent PRS investment in the capital was fitted out by Tetris, and the investment is an historic 1899 Wolf Krongold building on Złota Street in the capital, and it offers 146 long-term rental apartments. And as stated before, it belongs to AFI Europe. And it's been fully renovated, this townhouse, and as you can imagine, it looks really nice now. It's a pretty prestigious development, and 146 elegant apartments there for those who choose to go and live there.
Yeah, AFI, a lot going on with the residential for rent and offices in Poland as well. Yeah, so
around the region for them.
Yeah, around the region, and investing, developing on all fronts.
Yeah, I think they've got an interesting land bank. And, keep your ears open.
Yeah, a lot of good projects.
Staying in Warsaw again, and Omni Office, which is a serviced office provider, they've taken up space in the Warsaw unit developed by Glamco. They've leased around 3,000 square meters in that building, and the agreement has been signed for 10 years. And tenants will be able to move in from July 2023. And according to Jarosław Zagorski, he's the commercial business director at Glamco, he says the Warsaw unit is one of the most sustainable and technology advanced office buildings in this part of Europe. and it guarantees the best working conditions, business development for those of flexible office spaces. And the flexible office market is taking up a substantial chunk of office space these days.
Yeah, absolutely. You always need someone in there running the flex part of the business.
You do, yeah. That's right. And finally for today, Hilltop Credit Partners, which is a pan-European real estate credit investment manager, has appointed Claudio Giorgita as Chief Investment Officer. And he's going to continue to build the loan book in the UK and across the firm's European expansion. And according to Paul Oberschneider, he's the CEO of Hilltop Partners, he says, Claudio will have a particular focus on expanding our credit offering across asset classes and geographies, leveraging our tech-enabled platform to underwrite loans quickly and efficiently.
Oh, very good. Well, you always want your loans quick and efficient.
I would imagine, yeah.
So is that all we have for today?
Yeah, those are the highlights for today, Craig.
All right, great. So thank you, Winston, for this news on this wonderful almost spring Tuesday morning. And thank you for all watching the Coffee with Craig show. And we will see you tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of the day. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show. And don't forget to share it with your friends.